Hey guys, how's y'all? My name is Deepak. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, do you know while we are sitting in our home and enjoying our lazy days safely, there are many cyber attacks going on all over the world. And to track and see all those attacks live in our phones and desktop, there are some sites which shows real-time cyber attacks all over the world in proper world map. But I prefer the Sonic Wall Live Cyber Attack map. It provides a graphical view of worldwide attacks over the last 24 hours. It shows which countries are being attacked and where the attack originated. This interactive map shows not only malware attacked but ransomware, encrypted traffic and intrusion attempts and spam phishing attacks. If you have any further queries related to this video, just DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is deepak.code. And if you got to know something new from this video, just hit the like button and please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would be back with these types of content again.